What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this makeup look with some new products from Essence. This is a makeup brand that has my heart. It is an affordable makeup brand. The quality is awesome and they have a great selection of products and I have a lot of them. I use them on the daily. I love, love, love Essence. So what I picked up was their liquid blush and liquid highlighter, which I think are a great alternative to the e.l.f. If you want something more affordable, these are $6.99. The e.l.f., I believe, when I bought them was $12.99, so half the price. That is cool. I picked up this eyeliner. This is a duochrome eyeliner eye pencil in Meta Glow, and this is actually a really, really neat product. So we're gonna get into this makeup look. If you guys would like to, if you could, it would be amazing if you could subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and hit that notification bell so that will let you know whenever I am uploading a new video. So if you guys would like to see how the products work and how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. All right, to start off, I'm gonna go in with my Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer with Aloe Vera. This is fragrance-free, no silicones, mineral oil, and vegan. I have this in the shade light medium. This is a nice rich concealer. It has medium coverage, it's buildable, it dries down nicely. This one has a little bit more of a peachy undertone to it, so that really helps with any bluish, purpley undertones in the dark circles of my eyes. So I'm just going to blend this one out. Blends out really nicely and just lasts really nicely on the skin. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer from Essence. This is Baby Got Bronze. I have this in the shade Cinnamon Spice. So I was browsing some of the bronzers in the Baby Got Bronze, and there's different shades. This one is warmer with this cinnamon. They had a cooler tone one. I should have picked that one up actually to use as a contour. I think that would have been really nice to kind of mix these two together. So Essence Baby Got Bronze Bronzing Stick, creamy and buildable texture for effortless, sun-kissed glow. And then it's in a different language. But what I love about these is that A, they're affordable, B, it smells so good, and C, you get such good coverage with these and such good pigment. So not coverage because this is a bronzer, but such great pigment with these bronzers. And it just gives you that dewy sun-kissed glow and affordable. This is the most affordable brand at Shoppers with the best results, with the best quality. So it is always a brand that I'm reaching to try. I love when they launch new things, and I have so many products from them. My absolute favorite lip liner, Legendary, is from Essence. So definitely check that one out if you're looking for a nude lip liner. Let's try out the first new product that I saw. I've seen this a while ago, but it still says new on the display. So I wanted to try out, this is a Baby Got blush, liquid blush. So it's giving me vibes of the e.l.f., half the price. So this is $6.99. So if you are looking for an affordable liquid blush in these nice puffy wand applicators, definitely try. I feel like it'll be good. It's Essence. It's always good. Oh, I gotta turn it on. That's cool. There's a lock on it, which is nice because sometimes they just keep kind of overflowing. Okay, hold on. All right, I think that totally just kind of went everywhere because I was already squeezing it before I had unlocked it. So I kind of have this liquid blush everywhere, so I guess I'm just going to use it off of my hand and use a blush brush with it. So like I said, I got this in the shade Dusty Rose, and it has like this nice peachy under. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. Oh, I can't even explain. Like candy? Oh, it smells so good. If you don't like scents, then maybe don't hit this one up. Oh, look, I have it on my lip. Okay, very pigmented, dewy, gorgeous color, smells delicious. Oh my gosh, but I did get it everywhere. But gorgeous, gorgeous color, gorgeous application. Can keep building this. Beautiful. I cleaned my little mess up, so I want to read to you on the back what the product is all about. So liquid blush, blendable and long lasting with a high pigmentation for a natural fresh complexion, and that's what it feels like. I also got the liquid highlighter. I got this in Sassy in Silk, and there was two other shades. There was two other shades in the blush as well. So the light formula is easily blendable and buildable with a natural shiny finish. Love that. Okay, let's be a little bit more careful with this. So love that you can just click it open. Maybe I'll go downwards. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, just pop that. Yes, this smells so good too. Smells like something you'd want to eat, to be honest. Like a glazed donut. Gorgeous. I like that this is really light and sheer without looking too kind of glittery. It really just kind of melted into the blush and created a really nice effect. So these two, blush and highlighter, are just as good as the e.l.f. and half the price. I believe when I bought the blush and highlighter for the e.l.f. it was like $12.99 Canadian, so $6.99 Canadian each for the blush and for highlighter. The eyes today, I picked up, I saw this was new as well. This is a Meta Glow Duochrome eye pencil, which I thought looked pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is just go in with a neutral color all over the lid. I'm going to go in with Nothing Compares to Nude, the eyeshadow palette from Essence, and just go into this nude tone right here and just apply this all over the lid. I just went underneath the eye a little bit with the shade as well. Sometimes it's nice to just go in with one shade, a light medium shade, and just go all over the eye. With deep set eyes, you already have your crease and shape to the eye. So this is just a nice way to kind of give a blank canvas, and we're gonna let the eyeliner kind of be the star of the show. And this is just kind of softening the look of the eye, softening the brow. It's got a nice sharp tip to it. It almost looks like a pearlish color, so we'll see what it looks like on the eye. Oh, that is cool. That is cool because sometimes you just want to line your eye, like you just want the glitter right along the lash line. And that is what you're getting. Oh, so I see pinks in this. This looks really pink, actually. And it actually is pretty pigmented. Like you're getting, it's really pink. So it looks like it's gonna be a cream color, but then it comes out pink on the eye. That is really pretty. That is really cool. You could even do a wing if you wanted. I'm just gonna try to get a little closer. It is really nice. So this is really cool for someone who doesn't want to have a lot of foiled or shimmer on the lid, and you just kind of want a little pop of something. That is really pretty. Okay, so from far away, it looks more cream, and then like close up, all depending on the light, obviously duochrome, but How fun. That is neat. Liner in the shade Soft Beige. I also kind of filled in my lips with this as well, and then put a little bit of Vaseline over top. I used my I Heart Extreme Volumizing Mascara from Essence, and this is the final look. You guys, check out these new products from Essence. They are so nice. They apply beautifully. They are pigmented and affordable. So love these three. Created a really fun makeup look. Thank you guys for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.